Hey guys, Pancake and Meerkat here from TCC Airsoft, bringing you another Airsoft gameplay slash commentary.
Go, 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 go! Cover me, I'm moving out.
Okay, so this is Meerkat, and in this Airsoft TV, and we are playing TDM.
Yeah, mine's getting hot too.
Okay, so anyway, so we were playing some TDM 3v4, me, Pancake, and Justin on one team versus the others. Okay, so right here I am messing with my hop-up, and it is just too cold, so I cannot really mess with it at all. My hands are numb and just getting shot at, so that didn't really work out as much as I wanted it to, but it's still shot.
You hit? You get 2 respawns. Yeah. You guys can respawn kind of like over wherever. We can try to spread it out too, because you guys are getting spawn trapped.
Alright, so what I just saw and explained was that we just made this thing a lot more small, and it was just it is really spawn trapping more than anything. I mean, if you push forward, then you practically won. But I mean, it happens. But before, where I was facing right now, that's where we airsofted before. You can kind of see it off to the right, but it got just drenched in snow, and we couldn't get anything, and the snow turned to ice. That's so cold. Yeah. So anyway, yeah.
Is it still good?
Alright, right here, Pancake and Meerkat, that should be me. We tried to get another awesome camera angle, so we could have like 2 different camera angles. I think it'd be pretty cool, but we have 3. We had 3 that round, but the helmet cam was just kind of messed up. I mean, it just wasn't working. It's not a GoPro. It's like a it's not a legit one. But then we had a camera up in the barn that was facing down, and I'll pop that up pretty soon. And yeah, it was pretty good. Okay, so unfortunately, the videos that I wanted to put with it are not cooperating with me. So there will only be 1 camera view this time. Hopefully next time we'll have more. There will be different parts of this video because we had multiple battles. So I'll put like 2 battles maybe each time.
My hands are cold. I'm cold.
So this will be, I think, 2 battles this time.
Yeah, okay, it's recording.
It is?
Yeah, little red light.
Is it recording right there?
Red light on top.
So unfortunately, Pancake's gun broke, and it was, I don't know, I think it was just the cold. It wasn't used to the cold. So I lent him one of my pistols, and now he's going dually with the pistols, and let's see how this turns out.
One, go! Check your left! Left, right side, right side. I got you. Justin, he's right. Oh, shit. You got another life.
You're supposed to go back to the condo.
Yeah, go, hurry. Hurry! You got another life.
Right there.
You got. Everybody's got another life. You guys got another life. Go, go, go. You gotta start at your spawn. Start at your spawn. Yeah, they gotta spawn.
Now, unfortunately, Lewis goes running back, but unfortunately the video that Moses was taking was with the camera, and somehow, I guess it's too long, so I can't like put it in there and cut it. I gotta figure out how I can do it, but otherwise I'd like to have that, because I have another video that I can do that, but oh well.
Lewis, tell me if you're going left. My gun is hopping up too much. I got him.
Okay, so here I see that another kid on the team, on an enemy team, is all by itself, and he's behind a building. So I'm going, there he is, you can see him, but you can see his barrel, and I'm gonna try to come up around his 6 and bang him. Let's see how this turns out.
Bang, bang.
Oh yeah, for you.
We're good, I got him.
Alright, thanks guys for watching TCC Airsoft. That about sums it up for this video. See us on part 2, Winter Airsoft War 2. Thanks. Subscribe.